Chega dos zoomies.
And
Nolan.
it's from
Nolan.
Nolan Group.
So, good day, good morning. Today is a crazy package day, to be honest. Just now arrived at Amazon. We have received our new tires at Motosortis shop, and we need to go to our friend's place to pick up another package from our new sponsors, which is gonna be amazing. But yeah, first Amazon. Let's see what is in here. Oh, I'm really interested. Oh, these are the ones we ordered. These are for Mavic. These are really useful. Like, thank God we ordered more. Make sure to attach them properly before lifting it off, because it might flip over and chop fingers or damage anything around it. What's this? Oh, now I can check it one by one. So this is power bank, which is written on, but this is... Oh, this is the accessories for Mavic drone. Okay. And the power bank. Nice package. I really like the little box. Oh yes, this is that fire handle. This I want to really check out. And it comes with the tools and extra. I like it. Okay. So these details. It's nice. Oh, it looks really smooth. I like the quality of it. It looks like gold. And these ones. These are the Mavic R2 accessories. Oh! It's this amazing thing with the guard and the landing. This was to hug the drone with all those clippers, so don't need to reattach them each time. These are the safety guards, and these the little helicopter, I don't know, like thing, like landing platform, which is really nice. Hello. So at the moment we are driving to our friend's place to pick up our package because it was sent to that address.
Look at the big package.
So we just got
And
Nolan.
it's from
Nolan.
Nolan Group. We will still not say what's in. We'll check it out later. This is amazing. You're not gonna open it here?
I think not. Maybe we can open it here, but
Or we lift off the drone, have a flight, bring this baby home
bring this
next
to
to
the car.
our old helmets and check them out.
Yeah, let's compare them.
Go on, let's do that.
Let's compare them.
Nice recycling tape.
Careful with the drone.
Yeah.
Hello! Hello, baby! She got the zoomies.
look at this, your luck.
I did it. Rocky is there. Oh my god. But I did it, okay? It was hovering around. So, looks like this. Hello, Robbie Booby. Here you are. Hello, baby.
So our package from Nolan Group and X-lite.
Looking good, looking nice. So this is what's inside of it. So you can see 3 helmets and 2 intercoms that are specially built for this helmet. Okay, let's take them out.
Easy opening.
Easy. Without struggle. So this is the first taping. I'm gonna open them at the same time. So far so good. I don't think it. Oh. So there's instructions and everything. It's a brand new helmet with all the stickers. This is Daniel's one.
The carbon 1005X.
It's like really light compared to my NZ1 helmet and compared to Giddy. And the intercom is like so smooth. This looks like a sticker.
Wow. Yeah, it is very slim.
Very, really slim. Okay, stripes. Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Looks amazing. It's matching with the motorcycle. I really love it.